This video will show you how to convert a static image on one of your course pages in Canvas to an active button. So to begin with, I'm going to start by clicking on my image. In this case, my static image is actually an icon that I created through the Icon Maker. Once I've selected the image, you'll see the blue square kind of indicating that this is what we're going to work on or act upon. Then I'm going to go up to the Rich Content Editor toolbar where I'll click on the links icon and select Course Link from the drop-down menu. This will open up a sidebar menu and give me an option of all of the places within my course that I could link to create that button that's no longer just an image, but it's going to be hyperlinked. So I have a couple of choices. Typically, in this case, I want to convert my week 1 button to send my students to the week 1 resources. So you'll want to have a week 1 overview page ready to link to. And some people, instead of a page, may prefer to link to the entire module they've created for week 1. But in any case, you can link to anything that you've created within your course. And by clicking on the image to link to it first, you're going to convert that image to an active button instead. Now, when you look back on your page in the editing space, you'll see that there are other options here that indicate that it's now linked to something. So the only difference between an image and a button is that the image is now acting as a link. So when somebody clicks on that image, it will take them to another location. So the last thing is just to remember to scroll all the way down and make sure you click save, and you should be all good to go.